It's recommended to call the carrier with the number provided by email to coordinate for the delivery date and time. Make sure there's space to store the material if not planning to install immediately upon arrival. You can use a pallet jack to take the pallet off of the truck like we are here. You could also use a forklift and carpet pull to offload the pallet. Here, we are using a pull strap to drag the turf rolls out of the truck. If you have a team, you can work together to carry the turf from the truck to the installation area. If you need help getting the turf rolls out of the truck, use the vehicle to your advantage. Use a pull strap on the turf, pull the roll toward you, then drive the truck forward, slowly and carefully at the same time. To easily move your turf to the installation area or storing space, use a four-wheel dolly. Roll your turf onto the dolly, and the turf is super easy to move on wheels. Make sure all the materials were received before signing.